Yeah, well, this your neighborhood nigga. You know who it is. Told y'all I was gonna do a toolbox review. Just walking in the shop, school, shit, you know, before everybody get here and shit. You know how it is. Went broke the other day. I ain't even gonna lie. Kinda hurt, but Unc told me something. Shout out to Uncle Leonard. Invest in yourself. You be straight. So, that's what the fuck I did. Well, I'm in diesel engines 1 and 2 now. Getting ready to take the final for part 2. Part 2, you know. It's my book. Motherfucking punk ass book cost $200. Y'all had already seen the shit I had bought off bail. But looked up one of my classmates had a torque wrench. Brand new, he wanted to sell for the dirt. So I went and bought it. I mean, it's one. Still need 2 more. This shit, feel me? Husky. The bullshit. You know what I'm talking about? It's something. Now this thing right here, I thought, well, you can put it on the end of the torque wrench, but you can also put it on the end of any wrench. Any wrench. Yeah, it's Pittsburgh. And to turn a regular wrench into a torque wrench. That costs an arm and a leg. As you can see, got my cordless impact. I got my half-inch drive. Half-inch drive. Air. Impact. When I got my 3/8 inch air ratchet. You know what I'm talking about. Matching set. Man. Some starter impact cycles. Nothing but a 37-piece set. Still need to go get deep wall. Than everything else. You know what I'm talking about? So, I mean, shit, I spent a nice little piece of change on this shit. Real talk. I'm broke as fuck right now, though. I'm real broke. But it's cool. I got new toys to play with. New toys. Still trying to figure this thing out. Real talk. It's cool though. Guy in my class, I didn't even really know nothing about it. You know, the electric impact wrenches. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I didn't really know too much about them. But guy in my class, shout out to Patrick Looper. He basically put me up on time. See, the only person that had one in the class. And well, me, you know me, I like toys. Yeah, this the other part of the shop. You know, got our motors and shit everywhere. You know, we're in the process of breaking this one down. Fucking with it a little bit. You know, fucking with it a little bit. It's John Deere, I think. Yeah, it is John Deere. I thought it was a cat. Just based on the color. Todd. Got the cam standing up. Really supposed to be supported on V-blocks, but we ain't got none. The head. I mean, I'm just basically talking shit right now. Toolbox review, you know. Shit, I'm going through so much right now. It's ridiculous, man. I'm just trying to do what I gotta do, man, which is finish this school, man, so I can go on and get my life together, man. The whole reason I did this, I'm tired of going through so much bullshit or not being financially stable. You know what I'm saying? Selling dope is cool. You know what I'm saying? Or being out in the streets, you know what I'm saying? Getting your money the street way. It's cool. I don't knock nobody. Don't get me wrong. I don't knock nobody. I did that before too, but man, I'm getting too old, dog. I'll be 38 years old this year. I ain't got time to be giving motherfuckers for jail and all that stupid shit no more, man. It's starting to get close to them years, you know what I'm saying, in a nigga life when a nigga supposed to lay back or be comfortable. You feel me? You ain't gotta worry about too much. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a little minor bullshit, but as far as major shit, man, nigga getting too old to be going in and out of jail, dog. Then I got kids and shit, man. And when they get old enough, I want their ass to go to college. I'm gonna make sure they go to college. Watch this. And when it's time for your ass to go, I wish your motherfucking ass would say, why I gotta go? You didn't go. Like I done heard kids, you know what I'm saying, say to their parents. Because if you do, I'm gonna knock your motherfucking teeth out your mouth. But anyway, all the goddamn shit I'm going through right now, goddamn it, to make sure you straight. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm just babbling. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably hit y'all up, you know what I'm saying, probably make another video a little later on, probably at the school, you know what I'm saying, when I'm at the crib, when I can really sit down and talk. But you know what I'm saying, until then, early in the morning, I'm up with the birds chirping, trying to get this money. I hope you doing the same. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Fuck that bye-bye shit. I'm out, my nigga. It's your neighborhood nigga signing out. Deuces.